In today's life, everybody is concerned about bank deducting TDS either at the rate of 10% or 20%. So in this video today we will discuss why bank is deducting TDS. Actually TDS is tax deducted at source. What it indicates that any income which is routed through bank, either paid by bank or through bank, whether it is rent, interest income, commission income, salary or anything, is liable to be deducted for TDS. So TDS thus deducted and collected is remitted to government directly. So why bank deducts TDS? Any income, as discussed, rent, interest income, commission, salary, etc., is liable for TDS deduction. So, if your income, interest income, whether it is saving account interest, FD interest, RD interest, MIC, etc., if is above 40,000 per annum, and your age is below 60, means you are not senior citizen, then you are liable for TDS deduction. If you are senior citizen and your income, interest income, thus collected in bank is more than 50,000, then you are also liable for TDS. So let us discuss now how much percent TDS rate you attract. See, if you have your PAN number attached to your account, then your TDS rate would be 10%. If you have not submitted your PAN number, then you are liable for 20% as TDS deduction. Then question arises, how to avoid TDS? You can submit either 15G or 15H. If you are individual and below 60 years, then you are eligible for submitting 15G. And if you are senior citizen, then you need to submit 15H. It means you take the responsibility that you are not having any other income or your total income is not eligible for income tax deduction. So this means you take the responsibility that bank should not deduct TDS, and if any tax liability arises due to your total income, you take the responsibility that I'll pay the taxes on my own. So this way you submit 15G and 15H. These are in the section 197A, subsection 1, 11A and 1C, where 15G is for individuals and HUF, as we mentioned, and 15H for senior citizens. Now, if you miss to submit 15G or H, then during your ITR return, means during your income tax return time, you can claim your tax deposited back, means you can claim for refund. This way there is no need to worry. If your TDS was deducted, then it is easy to get it back. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, do subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.